So today we are going to discuss about, we are going to unveil the secrets of these single-celled organisms like amoeba, how they fuel their survival and strive into their watery world. Now, nutrition in amoeba is the main topic of our nutrition, and then we'll shift to nutrition in human beings. So the amoeba is a single-celled organism, and it does its nutrition by a process called phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means by a method of engulfing the food, or engulfing the food, microfood. Now, this amoeba, before discussing this, let me give a quick glance of this amoeba. It's a protozoa. It is a protozoan. It's a protozoa zone. So it's a protozoa, and it's considered, it's taken as usually eukaryote. It is a eukaryotic organism. And now this amoeba, now this eukaryotic organism, meaning it's having all kinds of cell organelles like nucleus, like mitochondria, cytoplasm, Golgi bodies, etc. Now it's having all kinds of these cell organelles. Now amoeba, before starting nutrition in amoeba, you need to understand the concept of this phagocytosis. So for that, let me make an amoeba. So suppose this is an amoeba having nucleus present in the center, and it's a single-celled organism. Now it's having these temporary finger-like extensions or projections. They are called pseudopodia, and these are used to capture the food particle. Suppose here is a food particle. So this is a food particle. It will be captured by this pseudopodia. In the next diagram, we'll see this amoeba. The food will be here. This food particle is captured by amoeba. Now amoeba it's having this pseudopodia, the finger-like projection, and it expands its pseudopodia and captures the food. It simply expands the pseudopodia and captures the food. Now after capturing the food, what it does, it takes this food and forms a food vacuole, a circular shaped structure that's called food vacuole. Now in the third step, this is an amoeba, and it forms this food vacuole. It is a circular shaped structure. It's just like that, hollow structure. Now the food particle is here. Once the food particle is trapped inside the amoeba, the quick next process, digestion starts. Now digestion starts, and it will diffuse this food particle, its nutrients, the nutrients of this food particle. This is cytoplasm around nucleus, and it will diffuse the food particle here. Now after diffusing this, during the process of digestion, it needs enzymes, which it's having by nature. These are natural molecular chefs, we can say. They will break this food, and they will get the nutrients, and they will diffuse these nutrients inside the cytoplasm. Now after diffusing, these cytoplasms are also called chemical messengers, or chemical substances, which help to break down the food into simpler substances, because the food particle is complex. Now after breaking down, diffusing this food into the cytoplasm, this is not the end of story, because now some undigested food will remain there. Now the remaining undigested food will be moved, and it will be thrown out of the cell. Now the undigested food which is thrown out of the cell, it throws it into a unique way. That's called it's called exocytosis. It's called exocytosis. Due to the process of exocytosis, it throws out this undigested food. That means exocytosis is done here. Suppose this is an amoeba, it throws out this food by a process called exocytosis. So there are majorly 4 steps in the process of nutrition in amoeba. Now the first process is phagocytosis. First it engulfs, and after that it takes this food, it traps this food particle inside the food vacuole, and after that diffusion occurs, in which the food particles are being dispersed, are being diffused into the cytoplasm, and now at the end exocytosis happens, and this process says that the food needs to be thrown out. First the food moves, and then the food particle, it needs to be thrown out of the cell. These are the four processes of digestion of this amoeba, nutrition in amoeba. And this is all about nutrition in amoeba. In tomorrow's class, next class, we'll start nutrition in human beings, and we'll continue from there. Thanks.